If your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max won't turn on, this video will show you exactly how to fix it. If this helps, consider subscribing. So this is actually a really common issue with the iPhone 17 lineup. What happens is once the battery fully dies, the phone can be really stubborn about turning back on. It doesn't just boot up like normal, and this is a very common issue with the iPhone 17 lineup. And if you've never dealt with this before, it can feel like your iPhone is completely dead. But don't worry, in most cases, it's a simple fix. The very first thing to try is charging it. And I don't mean just any charger. Plug it into a high power adapter. Trust me, it is important that you use a high powered laptop charger and not your normal iPhone charger. In my case, I used my laptop's USB-C charger and that did the trick. Once it's plugged in, leave it alone. Don't keep pressing buttons, just let it sit and charge. I'd recommend keeping it plugged in for at least 30 minutes to an hour before you try turning it on, and if you're using the normal iPhone charger, you might have to leave it plugged in for even longer. I know that's annoying, but trust the process. Now if it's been 30 to 60 minutes and still nothing, the next thing to check is the charging port. Sometimes dust or pocket lint builds up in there and the phone isn't actually charging even though it looks like it is. Take a look inside the port. If it looks dirty, carefully clean it out. Even if it doesn't look dirty, try to clean it out using a toothpick or a soft brush. Just be gentle. Then try charging it again. Or if you have a wireless charger, try that instead. That way the port isn't even a factor. If you've done all of that and the phone still won't respond, it's time to do a forced restart. Here's the button sequence. Press volume up, then press volume down, then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo appear. When you see it, let go. Now the timing on this is quite sensitive. It doesn't work the first time, try again. A couple of attempts is completely normal. And just so you know, none of these methods will delete anything on your phone. Your photos, apps, messages, all of it stays exactly as it was. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like the video as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.